The door's not, there's no door on there. I don't know, is someone there? It's crazy. This is probably one of the worst ones I've seen. G'day viewers, Chris Atkinson. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. I was driving around Tucson, Arizona, and I stumbled across, actually I went down a road I never went down before, and that's the good thing about driving around the area, that if you're looking for a car wash. And I stumbled across this one. It's pretty trashed. It's all torn apart. I've never seen it before. I thought I'd break out my video and start filming. So let's go check out the shut down, destroyed car wash and see if we can do something with it. Contact the owner of the property, see if they want to lease it. We'll see, but it's in pretty bad shape. Let me show you guys. So I am yet to check out this property, first time here, haven't even been around the back. I don't know what's around the back. So what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 self-serve bays and 2 automatic bays. But looking at this automatic bay, I mean, this looks like a total lawsuit waiting to happen. Look at this, the big pit, the big clarifier. There's no cover on it, it's just way open. If someone's walking through this property and they fall down there, that owner's in a lot of trouble. But look at these bays should be all chained off, they should be blocked off, no access, there should be a cover on that. You know, that's just an accident waiting to happen. Advertising Dunkin' Donuts, I mean coffee, whatever it is. I mean, obviously these boxes just completely ripped out, nothing there, just the housing. So they got 3 bill changes, I mean, well 2, but 3, you know what I mean. They were using tokens. Help save water and the environment, use a professional car wash. Well, this one seems everything but professional. No truck bed washing. Hard to police that if no one's here. Why would they read that and obey it? No one does. So it looks like all the faceplates are gone. There's no wires. Obviously the wires are being ripped out. But look at these hoses just hanging down. Look at these hoses. I don't even want to walk while looking up because there's no covers. I mean, look at all the trash down in the drains. I mean, that's almost filled up with mud, dry mud. It's gonna be a nightmare to get out. But yeah, these hoses, I mean, any drunk person walking along catches their neck on that. Why would I think about that stuff? Got these, I guess that's where like the mat holders kind of might have been. But there's nothing in the bays, it's literally just the infrastructure, just the brick walls. It's a little windy, so I hope it's not affecting the volume. Lights are in there, but they're pretty average lights. Not LED from the looks of things, and that's the 3rd self-serve bay. Oh my god. Looks like they had something here. Set, oh that was a air pressure, blow up your tires, which might have been alright for a little extra income, especially because there's plenty of room here. Someone can drive past there for the automatic. That's all the power boxes. And then out the back here, 2, 4, 6, it looks like they had 6 vacuums, obviously all gone. Oh my god, the door's not, there's no door on there. Let me check that out in a second. I don't want anyone jumping out and getting me. But these are where the vacuums were. These are long enough where it looks like you could, I mean they had 2 vacuums, they had one here, one here. I don't know if this is, well I was going to say it's long enough for 3 vacuums, but then again if a car is here they're going to use one, if a car is there they're going to use one, so a 3rd one's kind of irrelevant. That's where the trash bin goes. Soft touch, so it used to be a soft touch. Automatic that way, exit that way. Someone dug through, tried to get some quarters. That door, look at that. Might be someone in the back there waiting to get me with a machete. Another pillar, so yeah, 2, 4, 6 vacuums. What's this big block thing here? SMBC. I don't know. Is someone there? Oh, someone is laying there. Alright, I guess I'm not going to go in. That was the vending machine. Looks like he's sleeping, I don't want to wake him up. That's inside the motor room. Can't really see, it's too dark. If he wasn't there, I'd go in and check it out. But who knows? Might have a gun, might have a knife. Let's walk around the front and avoid the situation. Let's go check out the automatics. I knew there was someone in there. The door can't be off and no one in there. But look at this. This is a complete hazard. Like, how is the city letting them get away with this? That's crazy. This should be completely blocked off. Like, not by a chain, but like a big door, a big roller door. There's like hoses and wires. Like, look at that. That's insane. I can't even tell what type of machine it used to be. DNS? I'm sure the people watching, some of the experts will know, but I cannot tell what that used to be. Well, there's a pay station. So it's been smashed up. Obviously they tried to get everything out of it. That's crazy. This is crazy. Look at that. That's all smashed up. Still there. Maybe I should go say hi. Maybe it's the owner. Maybe I can do a deal with him. SMB. Looks like this is their territory. I'm glad I'm welcome. So the other pay station used to be here. $4 for a basic. Wow, cheap. 4.6. No wonder they went out of business. I mean, look at that. I mean, this one really doesn't have anything. This would be a crazy car wash to do. I mean, it's on a pretty busy road. It's on a good location. But it looks like it's been like this for at least a couple of years. I mean, just all the debris on the ground. It's a cool sign. I mean, that lit up at nighttime. It's a really busy road. But yeah, that's a busy main road. It's Sunday early in the morning, so obviously there's not much traffic out, but major intersection there. You got Fry's, which is a supermarket. And this big sign, that's the sign I saw. I was driving down this way and I so clearly saw it. There's nothing blocking it. There's no building here obstructing the view. And from that way, I'm sure it's pretty visible too. And then they also have what used to be the ice and water thingo. Oh, let's see. Let me get out of the wind and then we'll read this sign. Dear valued customers, due to the car wash closing, we have built a bigger and better water and ice machine in front of the EGs at Campbell and Irvington. Bigger and better, that's pretty big. It's not better though. Oh, you know what? Someone's probably living in there too. I bet you $100 someone's inside there living there. But yeah, that's been there for quite some time. You can see it's all rotted and gross, as is the rest of the car wash. Let's board it up. Get your 15-pound ice bags and chilled water here. But yeah, this is crazy. I mean, it seemed like it would have been making a lot of money when it was open and running, right? But who really knows what happened? I mean, maybe the lease ran out and the owner didn't want to run the car wash, or I mean, I don't know how they get to this point. I mean, you got the Fry's right there, like I said, they're building a new construction here, so it's not a bad area, it's actually pretty good. But for some reason, this is not an open, operational, functioning car wash. So that's as much as you'll probably see. Maybe I'll stop by on the way home, and if he's gone, I'll pop my head inside. I don't know. I don't think he might be dead. I mean, it's worth contacting the owner and just seeing what the story is, seeing what's going on. He might be looking for a tenant and he can't find one, or this might get knocked down and it might, rebuild into something else. I know they're building a new building right there. So they might have bought this land too, they might be knocking it down, but you just don't know. And the only way to find out is to contact the owner of the land, the landlord, and see what his plans are with the car wash, you know. I could say, hey, I'm in the car wash business, I'll take it off your hands, I'll give you $3,000 a month and get this thing back up and running. So, but this will take a lot of money. This will take over, not including the automatics, just the 4 self-serve bays and the vacuums, the wiring, the hoses, the booms. There's nothing here. $100,000 just for these 4 bays to get up and running. Lights, cameras, everything, action. Easily $100,000 just on the self-serve bays. If I was to put 2 brand new automatics in, $200,000 each, easy. So that's $400,000 right there. I don't know. I might put 1 in and turn the other one into a self-serve bay. 2 seems a little overkill, but depends how busy you are. I mean, you got a bunch of apartments here. You got a bunch of apartments there. So it's highly residential, and you just, you know, there's a Walgreens down there. It's a great location, really busy. It's just, I'm shocked to see it in this condition for this long. It's just crazy how people own land and they don't do anything with it. Collect rent, build it up and make it a car wash. Like, it's crazy. This is probably one of the worst ones I've seen. Mine were pretty bad that I took over, but this one tops this. But I think I'm out of here. That's pretty much all I can show you. Here from Tucson, Arizona. Probably one of the worst car washes I've seen. That's going to take a lot of money to get open and running. Comes with homeless people living in the motor room. All the joys of the car wash business. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. I'll see you all next time.